Hi, today I'm going to make these beautiful flowers called Easter lily. Very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in bright orange, white, green and off-white or cream color, thick wire, thin wire, this is yellow colored crayon, green floral tape, some cotton wool and tissue paper strip. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the pistil. This is 1 by 1 centimeters, cut 3 pieces. This is for the petal. This is 17 centimeters by 5 centimeters. And the stem is 2 by 1 centimeter, cut 6 pieces. And this is for the leaf. This is 16 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The stem is 2 by 1 centimeter, cut as many as you like. Cut a small piece of thin wire. This is about 3 centimeters long. Take a little bit of cotton wool, very little. Just put some glue on the wire. Like this. Then take this piece for the pistil, just stretch it. Apply glue and stick it over it, just pulling down the sides. Like this. So I'll make the other two the same way. Now cut a long piece of thin wire. This is about 22-23 centimeters long. So take these 3 pieces and hold them together like this. And take the wire, it will come like this. Stretch this. So start with this just below the top of the pistil. Just wind it like this so it comes together like so. Just wind it a little bit on the thin wire, covering about 10 centimeters of it. So it will look like this. For the stamen, cut a piece of thin wire. This would be about 15 centimeters long, and I've cut a thin strip from the orange paper. Stretch it. So try to make the stamen a little thick on the top and cover about about 2 centimeters of the wire with this. So this is how the stamen would look. So you need to make 6 of these. Take the green tape, stretch it and just wind it from the base of the stamen till the end of the wire. And take some more. Hold all these stamen together and the pistil. So this will come just about 2 centimeters above the stamen like this. So hold them all together and at the base just wind it with tape. Like this. Take the tissue paper strip and cut about 1 inch wide piece. Just fold it, apply glue, and wind it from the slightly thicker portion till the end of the wire, because this stem of this flower is slightly thick. Like so. Now take a petal and take the yellow colored crayon and covering about 1/3 of the petal, just color it in kind of a triangular shape. Like this, then just fold the petal, giving a sharp crease. Open it and then just give another crease very close to the first one. Like this. You take scissors or anything, just curl the petal. Curls like this, and then just stretch the yellow portion. So this is how the petal would look. So I made others in the same way. So now just take one petal, apply glue on the stem, and a little on the side till the yellow area, like so. Take the next petal and stick it in such a way that the edge of this petal comes, on the center line. Just press it. Take the third petal. Will also come like this. So you get a petal like this. So now just again apply on the last petal, on the side, and then on all the stems. Take this. Now this should come where the division is of the petal. So just fold over one side, stick it on the stem, and then fold the other side. And just insert either a pencil or something to rest the petal and stick it. So this is how petals would look. For the outer petals, just apply glue on the stem and a bit on the side, not the whole way, just about halfway. And then just stick it between the gaps of the previous petals, like so, and then you have to stick it. Just hold it till it sticks. So I'm going to stick the other two here. So this is how the flower would look. Now just take some more green tape. And wind it from the base of the flower. Till the end of the wire. Like so. For the leaf, just score a line in the center of the leaf and then curl it. That's it. Now take the thick wire and some green floral tape. Stretch it. Now these flowers would bend, so leave about 8 centimeters of the stem and then just bend the wire. And similarly on this one. So they'll come like this on the so now just take the thick wire. First take one flower. Wind the tape. Take the next one. You can put it in any way. And then just wind the tape a bit. And then just attach the leaves. They go in a whirl that is all around the stems. Just keep attaching one after the other, leaving a little space. Like this. So I'll just finish the stem.